Hello everyone, it's 22nd September. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page we have Britain, Canada and Australia recognize Palestine will not happen, says Netanyahu. Very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have UK fighter jets begin NATO air defense mission on Poland. Over Poland, very important for international relations perspective again. Moving forward, we have anti-graft protest in Philippines. Again, this picture you can see, very important for international relations perspective again. Moving forward, we have bad things will happen if Kabul doesn't give up Bagram base, says Trump. Very important for international relations perspective again. Moving forward, we have pointing to Musk moon mission contract. Experts say US is losing space race. Again, very important for international relations as well as science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have Prime Minister says GST Bachat Utsav begins with Navratri, double bonanza for people. Again, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have $1 lakh visa fee one time only for new applications, says White House. Very important for international relations perspective again. Moving forward, we have Sawalkoti Dam, panel to weigh green notch for Chenab project. Very important for development as well as infrastructure, paper 3 perspective. Moving forward, we have blankets to fodder, relief warehouses, a lifeline for flood hit Punjab. Very important for disaster management perspective. Moving forward, we have Delhi, a unique city. You can experience history, nature and modernity. Very important for history as well as infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have India, Canada and NSAs discuss Khalistan separatism terror, very important for international relations as well as internal security perspective. Moving forward, we have Karnataka caste survey from today amid Congress unease, BJP pushback, very important for society perspective. Then moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for the examination. The first editorial says the visa barrier, very important for international relations perspective again. Moving forward, we have no big deal. Saudi Pak defense pact shouldn't alarm India. Very important for international relations perspective again. Moving forward, we have strains in the canvas. Geopolitics has clouded global art business. Very important for international relations as well as economic perspective. Moving forward, we have the illusion of free speech. Very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have tax system that cares. Again, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have like passenger trains, 4 new freight services run with fixed notified timings, very important for development and infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have the problem with low inflation, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have what to expect at the UN General Assembly this week, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the whole page dedicated to this news. In the new global order, economic strength and resilience matter, very important for economic perspective again. And that's it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.